Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Evernote account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type evernote.com and press enter. On the Evernote homepage, find the sign in button at the top right. Click sign in to open the login page. If you are using the Evernote app, open the Evernote app from your device. On the app start screen, tap sign in. Choose how you want to sign in, such as email, Google, or Apple, depending on what you used before. If you select email, click or tap the email field. Type the email address connected to your Evernote account. Click or tap continue to move to the password step. Click or tap the password field and enter your Evernote password carefully. Double-check for typos and confirm caps lock is not accidentally enabled. Click or tap sign in to access your account. If Evernote asks for a verification code, check your email inbox for the code. Enter the verification code into the Evernote verification screen. If you do not see the code email, check your spam or junk folder. If you signed in with Google, select the correct Google account and approve access if prompted. If you signed in with Apple, confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. If your password is forgotten, click or tap Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email address and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Create a strong new password and return to the Evernote sign-in page. After signing in, confirm you see your notes or your home dashboard. If you are on a shared device, avoid selecting any option that says Remember Me. If you want to stay signed in on your personal device, you can allow it for convenience. To keep your account secure, sign out when you finish using Evernote on public computers. If sign-in still fails, check that your email is correct and try again slowly. If needed, visit Evernote Help to troubleshoot login issues or contact support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.